Welcome back. Today, I'll share my journey of creating this channel using AI. Let's dive right in. The first step was heading over to Namelix.com. There, I entered the keywords I wanted and clicked on the Generate button. To explore more naming options, I selected the Auto feature and proceeded to choose High Randomness. Moving on, I provided a short description of the channel in the Brand Info section. To see which names were available under the .com domain, I checked the Check Domains option. After clicking on Generate, a list of potential names appeared. I picked one that appealed to me and made some tweaks to personalize it. Next, I visited Midjourney, where I described my vision for a minimalistic circular YouTube channel logo about AI and knowledge, with a white background. I left Midjourney with creative freedom to craft something exceptional. Upon reviewing the results, I found the second design quite intriguing, so I chose that one and upscaled it. Additionally, I explored more similar options by clicking on variations and finally settled on the first one. With the logo design in mind, I proceeded to Photoshop to fine-tune it. While working on it, I decided to consult ChatGPT for a catchy slogan. After providing a brief description of the channel's focus, ChatGPT suggested Zephyr Guru, navigating the winds of tech, AI, and prosperity. Although I loved the idea, the slogan felt a bit lengthy. After a few iterations, ChatGPT and I agreed on Zephyr Guru, AI for Progress. I added this slogan to the logo, and it now looks like this. The next step was creating a new channel on YouTube. I filled in all the necessary information, and then turned to ChatGPT once again for help with channel keywords and description, which I incorporated into the channel information. And that's how this channel came to life. If you'd like to know more details about any part of this process, please leave a comment, and I'll be happy to make a video on that topic. If you're still here, I'd sincerely appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me.